Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, I tap on the search option, and here, I search for the topic I want to make a playlist about. Let me know in the comments what topic you want to make a playlist for. Now, tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the video. Tap on Save to Playlist. A pop-up will appear. The first option you'll see is Watch Later. This is useful if you find a video interesting but don't have time to watch it right away. It'll save to your Watch Later playlist, which is also just a playlist. The second option, which I'm seeing because I've already created playlists, will show you your existing playlists. If you've created any, you'll see them here too. To create a new playlist, tap on New Playlist. Give your playlist a name. Below that, in the visibility section, you'll see three options. Public. If you select this, your playlist will be visible to everyone on YouTube. Unlisted. If you choose this, only people you share the link with will be able to see the playlist. Private. This option means only you can see the playlist on YouTube. My suggestion is to keep it as unlisted. Tap on Unlisted, then tap the Create button. Your playlist will now be created. Now, let me show you how to add more videos to your playlist. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the video. Tap on Save to Playlist. Select the playlist you created, check it, and then tap Done. In this way, the video will be added to your playlist. You can keep adding more videos to your playlist like this. Now, where can you access your playlists? For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then go to the Playlists section and tap on View All. From here, you can access all your playlists. Now, if you want to share a playlist with a friend, you can do that from here, as long as the playlist is set to unlisted or public. And that's it. How to create a playlist on YouTube. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.